Hello guys, welcome back to Code and Test. Today we are going to see an interesting topic about AI engineer, that is AI hunter certification. So let me introduce this Azure certification roadmap if you are not aware about. So we have this fundamental exam AZ 900 and we do have this associate level of certifications like administration, developer, AI engineer, data scientist, data engineer and security, and we have this expert level certification as well. So today we are focusing about this associate certification, that is AI engineer, that is also considered can be as a fundamental for AI, but we are focusing on this AI engineer certification for today. Okay, so let's start this session. So what is AI 900 and why this certification is for? This AI 900 is provided by Microsoft Azure and it's an AI fundamental certification. Okay, this exam is an opportunity to demonstrate knowledge of machine learning and artificial intelligence concepts and related Microsoft Azure services. This exam is intended for candidates with both technical and non-technical backgrounds. Data science and software engineer experience are not required. Okay. However, awareness of the cloud basis and the client server application will be beneficial. Azure AI fundamentals can be used to prepare for other Azure role-based certifications like Azure Data Scientist, Azure Associate, or Azure AI Engineer Associate. But it's not a prerequisite for any of them. So if you see that certification roadmap, AI Engineer is something like a prerequisite for this data scientist or okay, a solution architect or something like that. So it's not like you need this AI certification just to complete this data scientist. It's not like that, but it's better to have the certification before you start this data scientist thing. Okay, so let me give some background about this, how this exams looks like and all. So what are the skills measured over here? Okay, describe artificial intelligence workloads and considerations. So that is about 20 to 25% of the questions will be coming from this topic. And describe fundamental principles of machine learning on Azure. That will be for 25 and 30%. Describe features of computer vision workloads on Azure, 15 to 20%. Describe features of natural language processing workloads on Azure, so 25 to 30%. So this concludes that 100% of the questions. So I'll be giving some how to clear this exam, and I'll be giving some set of questions. Might be some 100 plus questions. So I'll cut short into 100 questions. Out of this 100 questions, you will get the 60 or 40 questions from my dumps so that you can clear your exams. Okay. So please subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed it. I'll be posting videos after this. Maybe some in 10 videos I'll be posting all the 100 questions so that you can clear it in the first shot itself. Okay. So if you want to learn into that depth into this each of this content into that, I'll be giving the learning path in the below description. You can go through this Microsoft documentation for each and every part. So that will be helpful for your understanding of AI and clearing the exam. Okay. So how much it cost actually? So 4,000, nearly 4,000 rupees is required to complete this exam. So if you are taking my dumps and if you are understanding the concepts with the links which I have given in the below description, this 4,000 will not be like a big amount for you. You can clear it in the first shot itself. Then if you're thinking that how to achieve the certification for free, I have attached one more video. I have already presented one more video for how to take the Azure certification for free in another video. And I have given the link for that as well. So you can go through that as well before you plan your exams. Okay. So don't worry, what about this, how you are going to clear this exams or what will be the question pattern. I don't have much idea about this AI. So don't worry about that. I'll be giving in and out of this how to clear this exam of this. So let's jump into questions. So I'll be giving some three demo kind of questions over here. Then I'll be posting some 100 questions out of which you can accept them 40 to 60 questions in your exams and you can clear your exam. So let's start. So the question number one. So when developing an AI system for self-driving car, the Microsoft is responsible for AI should be applied to ensure consistent operation system during unaccepted circumstances. You know, we have this self-driving cars and all this AI automated thing. That's something key topic to discuss. So what is the principle they are just maintaining over there? So the first the options are inclusiveness, then accountability, reliability and safety, fairness. The bright option is reliability and safety. To build trust, it's critical that the AI system operate reliability, safety and consistency under normal circumstances and the unexpected conditions. So the right options over here is reliability and safety. Moving to the question number two. Forecasting house price based on the historical data in the example of anomaly detection. Okay, so it's like a yes or no question. So all these three questions are related to anomaly detection. So first of all, you have to learn about what is anomaly detection. I'll be giving the link to understand the things about that. What is anomaly detection? So if I'm going to tell some in a high level, anomaly detection encompasses many important tasks in machine learning: identifying transactions that are potentially fraudulent, learning patterns that indicates that a network intrusion has occurred, finding abnormal clusters of patients, checking values entered into systems. So these are the main key roles of this anomaly detection. So the questions here are: forecasting housing pricing based on the historical data is an example of anomaly detection. No, it's not that. Identifying a suspicious sign-in by looking of deviation from the usual pattern is an example of anomaly detection. So if you understood the concept, its answer is yes. So predicting whether the patient will develop diabetics based on the patient's medical history is an example of anomaly detection is no. So I hope you understood that what is the answer you have to select over here. Okay, moving to the question number 3. The handling of unusual or missing values provided to an AI system is a consideration of Microsoft DAS principle of for responsible AI. So here as well, the answer is reliability and safety. AI systems used to be reliable and safe in order to be trusted. It is important for the systems to perform as it is originally designed and for to respond safely for the new situation. So these 3 questions, I'm just stopping this video. So please tune to my channel. I'll be posting few more videos, might be 10 videos for this session. I'll be covering all the 100 questions so that you can go through maybe in 10 minutes. So 10 into 10, 100 minutes, you can clear this exam for sure. It's hardly 1.5 hours, right? So maybe you can fast forward these things and you can clear it in 2 hours maybe. So you can pass this exam for sure. Please tune to my channel. Bye bye. Happy learning. Thank you. Bye bye.